Well, our last guest is a plant-based nutrition health coach offering monthly cooking classes where you'll learn how to have some fast and flavorful cooking plant-based meals. You got to find out how this can be. We're going to learn all about it and here to teach us how to make a healthy meal. For Valentine's Day is the owner of CB Health and Wellness, Dr. Cecilia Basbus, and we thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. Thank you to be here.
So we're going to do this healthy thing, right, for
Yes.
Valentine's Day. That's your approach, and you really take the approach of having a plant-based diet because it's important. So first of all, why is a plant-based diet important?
Well, it's very important just to keep yourself healthier. So you need to be healthier just to be able to thrive and then, reduce your cholesterol. And if you have diabetes, you have to be, healthier. And just also if you want to lose weight, it's really good for that. And also if you want to have a good Valentine's night, it's very important to do a plant-based meal at least 1 or 2 days before.
Oh,
It boosts your your circulation and
Right.
it helps you healthier and
Energy. Need more energy. Right,
A
there
lot
it
of
is.
energy. That's why we're doing some chocolate, chili flakes, and some, pumpkin seeds are very, very important for that.
So we have a couple of things we're going to do, right?
Yeah,
And
so-
so on this side, let's walk through this.
So on this side, we're going to do a rainbow salad with a dairy-free ranch dressing. And on this side, we're going to do a chocolate mousse
Okay.
with some chili flakes, so it gives a little bit of a kick.
Okay.
Okay, so for this one, what we're going to use is a green salad that's going to be here, a very basic kind of green salad, and then we're going to put some kale salad into it,
Okay.
just like that. The idea is that it has to look like a rainbow.
It has to look like a rainbow. Okay.
So that's why we're using all these colors.
Right.
So we have a little bit of carrots.
Okay, so we're adding a little bit of carrots in there.
Yes. And
Okay.
then,
Well, there you go.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Some peppers.
Okay, throw the peppers in there. Okay.
And
Getting my green
also
on. There it
some
is.
tomatoes.
That's some tomatoes. Okay.
Okay, great. And then some mushrooms.
All of this, okay.
There you go.
Uh-huh.
And then we're going to do some craisins.
Gotta have the craisins. Come on,
There's a little
craisins.
bit of sweetness. And some pumpkin seeds.
All right, got the pumpkin seeds going.
Yeah. That gives a little bit of the crunchiness. That's good.
Okay. Just like my kitchen.
So
just
like
all
that,
over the
yeah. So and then for the dairy-free ranch, we're gonna put like half a cup of what I call this
Cashews.
Thank you. Some cashews, and then we're gonna put dill, dry dill. 2 tablespoons of this.
Okay.
1 and 2, and then we are going to put half a cup of water.
So this is very quick, though.
Extremely quick.
Right.
Like in 5 minutes, you have it done.
5 minutes.
And then some maple syrup.
Okay.
So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, just to give a little bit of the sweetness.
Some flavor.
Some flavor.
There it is.
If no flavor, nobody wants to eat it.
That's right.
Right? So all you have to do, put it like that. You mix it, and you.
On the go.
That's it.
Right. And so generally these meals are very short in time to prep and make.
Yes, usually plant-based meals are very easy to do, and then this will go great with a portobello steak.
Okay.
With infused with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. So you do that with portobellos, and then you put this in the salad, and it goes perfect.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so if you like to taste a little bit, this one is like that. It's been longer in the fridge,
Okay.
but it's a very thick kind of dressing.
Uh-huh.
Mix it,
A little tossing going on.
tossing.
And so how, talk about getting your clients into a plant-based diet. How long does it take them to really adapt to say, okay, I'll make the crossover?
The first thing that you need to know is you need to be sure that you want to change into a plant-based nutrition, right? Because there's going to be some, it's going to be a little bit of a sacrifice,
Yeah.
and it's going to be a little bit difficult to pass by like a pizza, store and say I should have that, and then just say no. It's better for my health not to.
Right.
But once you understand, then it's going to be easier. But it takes around a month just to be to start having some, to notice some of the changes and to feel
Right.
better and have more energy and like wanted to be like trying more new things.
So let's go over here real quick because you got some.
Okay, so for this one, what we're gonna use is this.
And this is
a-
called what first?
It's a chocolate mousse.
Okay, I like
So
that.
it's a chocolate mousse. Everybody likes that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some organic tofu, but the silken one.
Okay.
Okay, very important.
The silken organic tofu.
Yes, it's silken organic
Remember
tofu. And then we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of cacao. This is dairy-free cacao.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we're gonna have lime zest.
Mm-hmm.
The zest of 1 lime. And then we have chili flakes
Okay.
and some salt in it.
All right.
And then we're gonna put, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we are going to put a teaspoon of dark rum.
Okay. Now some people say you need to put more in there. but
More,
this is
yes.
correct.
A lot of people put more. And then we're also going to put a little bit of maple syrup.
Uh-huh.
We're going to put around 2.5 tablespoons.
Okay.
Okay? And that's it. That's all you need to do. But you will have to like have it in the processor for at least 2 to 5 minutes, okay? Depending how it mixes.
Mm-hmm.
So like that.
So we got a salad going, we got a mousse going, and you say that takes about 2 to 5 minutes.
2 to 5 minutes, and then it will end up like this. And then you all decorate it with some cherries.
Oh, so this
and
is the
then
final
some
result.
chocolate. Yes.
Right, so this is the final result, y'all.
So you have to try it now.
I have to try it now?
Yes.
Okay, there it is.
And
We're
you
gonna try it
tell
now.
me how you like it.
Okay.
It has a little bit of a kick, so
It has a little bit of a kick?
yes.
It's good, it does have a kick.
It does have a
Little
kick,
bit.
right?
But very good.
It's good.
Yeah.
So it's flavorful, right?
It is flavorful.
So then there's nothing like, whoever will do a mousse will want to have like eggs and dairy and stuff like that. And this one has nothing like that. And it's very healthy and, you know, guilty free.
Right. So let's, before we go, talk
Yes.
about the benefits of actually having a plant-based diet, right?
So the main benefits of the
While I eat.
of
go ahead.
a plant-based diet is to become healthier. You will lose weight, and the main thing is the healthy part is, so if you're a diabetic, your diabetes will get better. If you have high blood pressure, it will get better. You know, cholesterol will go down, and you will have more energy, and your digestive system will get better. So I think that's the most important thing of a plant-based diet. The losing weight is secondary, but you
Right.
can definitely lose a lot of weight.
Oh, okay. Well, Dr. Cecilia Basbus, thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome.
If people want to find you, where they find you at?
My website is www.ceciliabasbus.com, and we are located on 305 East 119th Street on East Harlem, on the basement level.
That's right. All right. Well, listen, we got to wrap up. CB Health and Wellness Vegan, Mediterranean, and Lebanese cooking class is also taking place on Friday, February 21st at 6:30 at the CB Health and Wellness Center. As she said, 305 East 119th Street on Suite B. And if you want more information, the services provided and tickets for the cooking class, of course, visit the website, CeciliaBasbus.com, or you can call her at 646-427-2584. Well, we've come to the end of our show today. I want to thank all of our guests for joining us, you, the viewer, for tuning in. And if you missed any part of today's show, catch the recablecast at 10 p.m. on Optimum's Channel 67, Verizon Files Channel 33, anytime on the web at bronxnet.org. And of course, you can catch a brand new episode of Open with my girl Rena Valentine on Friday. Also want to give a special shout out to all those watching on MNN. My sister Ann, hey, how you doing? Listen, that wraps it up for us here on the set of Open. Daren Jaime, make sure to keep this channel wide open. Take care. God bless. See you soon.